Ito, importante. Okay? Ito, bibigyan ko kayo ng tip pantanggal inip. I'm sure marami na naiinip dito. No? That's the reason why we are actively trading gold using the platform of Exness. Okay? Doon yung active trading natin. Small amount of our portfolio, not more than 10%, nilagay natin doon sa high risk trading. Yung everyday sumisilip ka, everyday nagte-trade ka, yung small amount. Para habang nag-aantay tayo dito, hindi tayo naiinip, yung skill natin na de-develop, okay? You can also do that using demo account, walang problema, okay? Pero never ever trade yung ganitong klase ng market. Never ever trade, especially futures, especially using leverage, yung big chunk of your portfolio. Wala kang bodega tapos puro futures. Magugulat ka tapos na yung bull market, hindi ka pa rin kumita, di ba? Naiwanan ka pa rin. Okay, so ang discarding ginagawa natin, not more than 10%, we're actively trading. Kung kumita, dagdag bodega. Kung hindi kumita, it's okay. Pantanggal inip. Follow for more Tito Moves!